The 2015 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.